Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Whimsy 7-piece safe and organic sling bag beauty kit for teen and preteen girls, a pink makeup set that's all about safe fun and fabulous looks. This kit is non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, and water washable, so it's perfect for young beauty enthusiasts. Let's dive into this adorable sling bag and check it out. First up, the packaging. It's a cute pink sling bag that's travel-friendly and stylish. I love how it keeps everything organized. Inside, we've got a lip cheek tint. It's a pretty rosy shade made with natural ingredients like jojoba oil and shea butter. I dabbed it on my lips and cheeks, and it gives a soft flush that's buildable, so gentle and perfect for a natural look. Next, the lip gloss. It's lightweight and non-sticky with a subtle shine. I tried it, and it feels amazing on my lips, adding just the right amount of glam without any mess. Then the eye glitter. This is biodegradable and safe for sensitive eyes. I swiped it on my lids and it's sparkly and fun without being too much. A total vibe for a playful look. The nail polish is water-based and peel off. I painted my nails a cute pink and it dries fast with no harsh chemicals. Super easy to remove too. The nail sticker adds extra flair. I stuck one on and it's adorable and simple to apply. Oh, and the brushes. There's a set of 2 mermaid-shaped ones that are soft and great for blending the tint and glitter. They're so fun to use. This kit is all about safe play. Everything washes off with water and it's packed with organic goodies like vitamin E. It's perfect for teens or preteens starting their makeup journey. Not pro level, but awesome for the price. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this Whimsy set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.